hiyo morose. Na mimi niko mbele nafanya nini kisi? We don't want to go that direction. We don't want to make that mistake. You have given us a responsibility. Money has come. We must guide you through how we get this money. I can assure you, don't worry. Nimesema wakisi hapa wewe hii ndio rafiki wa njema. And another way coming inside we can be able to follow that because we are not getting them to from there, we are getting them to back. Therefore we must make sure these people we have given services. So therefore the 18 groups by good people. Tafadhali. Pesa iko. Na ni pesa unapewa 500. You can't visit your own wife. Or your husband. Ama your neighbor. Ukipata ni ngumu sana tafuta leo ni wao akuje ajiunge and there will be trainings. Therefore 130 tasaidia gani? Mtoa 130 out of 700. That means 500 more. 570. So what if it is I want to be practical. 6 months. We are talking of rent. Roughly rent in the Sangam Point in the 3. 5,000. On the other side, 5,000. Zero. 5,000 times 6 months.
1 year.
5,000. What is it 1 year? 60,000. Is it 60?
Yes.
60,000. So we buy 510. Senor, tunataka tulipe ofisi for all year. Na mimi nitatembelea hizo ofisi. Hao watu nimesaba kwa sababu ya nasako, I want to meet them within leo au time at any given time. Therefore 510 bookkeeper. Mnalipa yeye mshahara pesa ngapi?
5,000. 1,000 a month.
5.
15,000.
25.
15,000 a month. 15.
Wewe is your money. You're talking about 15. 15,000. What about 25? And you're one of my officers.
Yes, sir.
Your boss says 15, you're talking about 25.
I'm saying, sir, that they have given us 25,000, but we are giving 15,000 a bookkeeper per month.
No. Yes. 25 and the enforcement officer here.
I'm saying what they have given us, it is 25,000.
No,
yes.
We want you to be practical. Don't tell me.
Practical is 15,000. Practical, I'm paying 15,000.
15,000.
Yes.
15,000 we pay for all of
1 year.
1 year. 100. Hiyo mshahara ya bookkeeper. 1 year.
1 year.
180 kwa hesabu kwa haraka. 330,000. This one is for functions.
Office furniture, computer.
Office furniture.
Software.
Computer.
Software.
Printer.
System.
Software. Stationaries. Fridge. Wakati mtu analipia office center, lazima kuwe kwamba tulipe ofisi, bookkeeping, tununue vitabu, wengine wapate kukula hapo. Are you seeing that? Well, I want the cities. I must be hands on. niambie, unajua mimi ya pesa leo. I'm not an expert like you, sir.
Thank you, Excellency. This money is to enable
to
pay rent for the first 6 months. It is to enable them hire a bookkeeper and pay his or her salary for 6 months. It is to enable them to purchase office furniture and computers, printers, and also to install a software that will run the circle issues, the loans, the savings, and everything. And then a small amount actually, I think it's about 130,000, is what has been put aside for further recruitment of members. And here, they are required to have barazas, meetings, and to go to the CITs that are affiliated to the circles. And the officials have agreed that for them to earn one lunch, lazima wao wamesajili watu watatu ambao wamelipa registration and minimum shareholding ya shilingi 500. So that is the starting.
Kwa hivyo tusikizane. Bila anasema for 100 and what from the organization?
About
130. Every 1,000 must be, is it 1,000 or shilling? Must be out of the members and more.
Lunch moja wanalipo 500.
Lunch moja?
Yes, for an official. So akileta watu watatu ambao wamelipa minimum registration in 200.
That's okay.
Yes.
I'm playing with the body. It is 130,000 divided by 500 to get out the members a group must have. Serious?
Yes.
Now you have an example. 130,000 divided by 500 shillings. 100, 216 times 3, because they say an individual will have to bring 3 people.
Yes.
700. If that group does not raise that 750, you don't give them 130. Is that the case?
Yes. We don't authorize. When the money is transferred into the account, but for every transaction, the bank has been instructed they have to come for authorization from myself and the chief officer.
Thank you.
So we will not authorize them to be paid lunch until we see the new members in the system and how much they have contributed.
Tunasikiza hapo. Members who have to be recruited, 3 of them, they must pay a certain amount to be members, and that one guarantees them to be members. And this individual who has recruited them to get 500 shillings for 3 people. And you know what they stand for. How many groups? 18. If you get 18 times 700 and go to the mpaka. 14,000. 14,040. The day I want farmers from those groups, 18 of them, I'll get 14,000 people seated here. Do you want it? Because unless we do that, our and our maiso. Ekiagira hiyo ke, wale kwa kitu kwa